Hello viewers, this is Tanvir again with a new video. If you like my video, please like, share and comment, and please subscribe my channel so that you can see all my videos and it will inspire me to make more videos like this. Today I'm going to show you a national park. The name of this park is Letchworth State Park. This is around 2 hours drive from Buffalo, New York. This is a beautiful state park which have three falls, upper, lower and the middle falls. On the video you can see the upper falls, which is the most beautiful falls, and they have a bridge on the top of the fall which make this place more beautiful. This is the place where you can hike, you can bike, or even you can rent a cabin to stay overnight and enjoy the beauty of this nature. This park is around 27 miles long. In 2015, this park was named the most beautiful state park in USA by the USA Today. That was in my bucket list to see this park, and if you live in USA, this is a must watch for you. And this video you can see all the greenery. Even in the fall time, this park is more beautiful because of the fall color around the hills and around the waterfall. Thank you viewers for watching.